Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at Reddit's top pops. Before we get started, please take a look at this blister. Leave us a comment if you'd like to see the video of its removal. One of my favorite Reddit pops is of this lip pimple. Next, we have an image of back acne, or bacne for short. Has anyone else ever suffered from bacne? This person needs some comedone extractor tools. We'll put a link to our favorite kit below. This one is Adam's personal favorite pop. His second favorite lately is this earwax removal. This person is a great candidate for some earwax removal tools. See below for details about earwax removal tools. Lastly, here are a few impressive blackheads. We'll put a link in the description below to the full video. Check out the subreddit Popping for more, and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can get updates when we post new videos, which is quite frequently. Thanks for watching. Hey there, medical fans. Thanks for watching and subscribing to the channel. Please take a moment to pick up our custom earwax removal kit from the link below. It's the only kit officially sanctioned by your favorite earwax specialist. It comes with 3 heads, extra batteries, and an irrigator tool. Check it out by clicking the Amazon link below. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard to reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.